Hi, I'm Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic formula that will help you stop negative thoughts. The runes are Teiwas, Fehu, Lagus. The rune Teiwas is the rune of the strength and self-discipline. It will help you to control your mind. The rune of Fehu is the rune of a new beginnings, a positive increase of energy. So the new mental patterns will be enforced and will grow in strength in your mind. And the rune Lagus will ensure that this process is a uninterrupted flow of events. The new positive energy, the new positive way of thinking will flow like an uninterrupted river in your life. To use this rune formula, you can draw it on the left side of your body or create a long-term amulet following a simple ritual that I teach on my free course. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.